morning. This is the ugly side, I guess, of Fort Stockton, still in Texas. We stopped here a couple of days so I could let Spooky stretch his legs and sniff around a little bit. Found a nice park that he enjoyed yesterday, so we're gonna go again today before we continue on our journey tomorrow.
At the light, turn left onto West Dickinson Boulevard.
What I like about this town here, this main street here, West Dickinson Boulevard, big wide
In about 1 mile,
street
turn left onto North Main Street.
with lots of services and everything's going on, and the speed limit of 35, and people follow it for the most part. It's pretty good.
At the light, turn left onto North Main Street, then take the first right.
That's Paisano Pete over there. We're gonna get out and take a picture of him.
Turn right, then arrive at your next stop. Arrive at Fort Stockton Chamber of Commerce. Arrived.
Oh, that was cute. The Chamber of Commerce is inside
Proceed to the route.
the old train depot. Very nicely restored. They don't have patches though. I was very disappointed. I walked around the corner, take a picture of Paisano Pete with his little snow cap on. It's a lot colder still this morning than I thought it was. Nice and warm in my van.
At the light, turn left onto East Dickinson Boulevard.
I think I'm gonna go straight through here.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East 5th Street.
There we go.
Take a slight left turn, then take the first left. slight right turn, then take the first left onto North Spring Drive.
I don't think I'm gonna go in here. Doesn't look terribly impressive.
In a quarter mile, the next stop is on your right, James Rooney Memorial Park. Take a slight right turn, then take a slight right turn.
Hey, we're at the park now. I don't know where Spooky is, but I'm gonna open the door and I bet he pops out from behind the sink. Spookies. Wanna go outside? Where are you, baby? Are you under the sink? It's silly. Do you want to go outside? Oof. I need to do some housework today. I could do that. I'm feeling better today. This is the park. A part of it anyway. It's big. It's very big. There's like 2 or 3 tot lots, baseball fields, basketball courts, barbecue pits, big barbecue pits. I think there's tennis courts somewhere. Walking trails, there's a canal goes through from the spring, Comanche Spring. It's a nice park. It'd be nicer if the sun was a little warmer today. It's still pretty cool. Spooky does not want to come out. Oh. I'll let him nap for a while and then open the door again. Look who woke up. You wanna go outside? Come on. You gotta get off me. Oh, you wanna kiss me? I wanna kiss you. Come on. Remember this from yesterday? Well, are you going? Man, I'm gonna shut the door because it's cold. Watch out. Bye, have a nice day. Are you watching me cook? Are you watching me cook? What? Are you very interested in pork chops? Or no, you're interested in something out the window? What do you see? I don't see nothing. Who's the best boy? Sweetheart. Look at this fussy guy saying no to pork chops to eat crunchy stuff. Little bastard.